How to lock and unlock our notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to lock or unlock your notes, then simply open a notes app, and here you can select a note you want to lock. Now simply press and hold on your notes, and after that here you can see the option lock notes. Now simply click on lock note and use iPhone passcode and create passcode. Now simply click on use iPhone passcode and it will be locked. And if you want to unlock your notes, then simply click on it and lock and unlock this password. So this is the way to lock or remove lock in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.